Hi, in this video I will show you how I made 11,000 rupees by doing swing trading. You will learn what is the logic behind this swing trade and what is the trade setup for this trade. Let's swing in this video. The stock taken for the swing trade is JSW Steel. Now we are seeing this stock in a 1 hour time frame. So the red line here is the resistance line on the top and the green line on the bottom is the support line. So the price action is looking like this. So this is kind of a rising wedge pattern. So we can quickly mark up the support and resistance for this trade. So here is the support. The price has rejected and bounced back on the top, and here again the price has taken the support in the support line and it's a bounce back, and here the price has taken the support and bounce back. Coming to the resistance, here the price has faced the resistance on the top and the price got rejected and came down. Again here the price has got rejected from the resistance line and it is coming to rejected and came down. So this is how the setup looks in a 1 hour time frame. So since this is the resistance line, I thought the price again it has to come down at least to this level. So I took an entry in this point. Let me quickly zoom in. So when I draw a trend line like this here, a trend line like this, the price has got rejected from the trend line and it has come down. So this was the main point. One of the point for taking this trade, one is the price has got rejected from the resistance line here, and also the price has got rejected from the trend line as well here. So my entry point was exactly here on this top of the candle. So let us mark up the risk to reward ratio in this trade. Here is the entry. So the previous candle high was a stop loss and I am expecting the price to come near the moving average band. Let me mark up the moving average band. This is the moving average band. So I am expecting to cover my trade near the moving average band here. So the risk to reward ratio, let me pull up. I am expecting the target till here, near the moving average band itself. This is the blue line, the blue area. So the risk to reward ratio I am getting for this trade is 2.69, almost 1:2.7. So once the price has reached in this point near the moving average band, this is my target. So my target is achieved in this area. So this is how I made 11,000 rupees by shorting JSW Steel. So shorting in the sense selling high and covering low. So this is how 11,000 rupees was made in JSW Steel. I like to read your comments below. What do you think about this video? And you can suggest me what is the stock you want me to analyze for the next swing trade.